Everything me have, you know me work hard for it. So why don't you nigga bad mind me for it? Every day them see me out a road and me a blast. Buy me one a liquor, so me have me one a glass. Tell them me close and so sharp. So who no like me style, tell a boy fit your calf now. Them a watch everything and me a wear and no see the hard work when me do for me career now. Them a wonder how me things and so there them want kill you for the car where you was here. Me heart not dirty, me heart clean like the water from the stream.
So welcome back again, Life is a Mission people. Welcome back to the kitchen. Well, today put on the oil for after ready people. And as you can see right here, I have some chicken well seasoned up from today. Very early. Because as you know, I like to marinate my meat. You know, so when you bite into my meat and all the bone when you bite it, you can taste the seasoning. So the oil are hot people. So before we finish getting to the video, make we just get the chicken in the pot because we don't want the oil burn and get too black, and then we continue to tell them what we want. So listen, what I go on and kind of chicken drop in a pot now. Because we are going to do some brown stew. Some brown stew chicken in vegetable. It's not chop suey. It's just brown stew chicken in vegetable. And here all this come about now, my people. You know what? All who watch the last video when I do the shrimp vegetable salad. Alright. I am going to utilize all vegetable that they left over from that dish. You understand? Because when I check it, I realize that the vegetable will be too much for me alone to eat off. So I did not go ahead and prepare the whole line as you did see, because I showed you when you were left. Wow, I have scratched. See how about me. You are going like you're a female. Is a female pop that? You just have going like you want to bun me so. Eh? Yes, people. So back to what me I said. So as you see, I left back some of the vegetables. Yeah, so this is what me are going to use now. Aye, people, I have scratched about me. If I use now, no one enough skin for me. And take it, my hand found fashion. And you see these things are things that I learn. I look and learn these things from my mother. I can remember my mother would go to the market, and when she go to the market, she buys. You know, she find herself with some money and just buy some things put in her fridge, vegetable and stuff like that. And things. And over a period of days, that might eat off. She might cut a little piece of this off of that, a little piece of this off of that. And then now, after she cut a little piece off of this and a little piece off of that. So for instance, like I said, she will buy some pak chow and she will buy some callaloo and a little cabbage and carrot, and she use, and in the long run she find piece of carrot here so, piece of pak chow here so, piece of couple to start of callaloo right here so, and over there so. What she do now, on that day she might not have nothing to look out for, and she just pull the fridge, and when she pull the fridge she say piece of this, piece of that, piece of that. You know what she do? She just cut up everything and create a meal. You understand? So, saying that to say this, when you don't cut off one little piece of something, no matter that shit well, catch it somewhere in your fridge. It will come in handy. And you yourself can make it come in handy one day. You understand? Alright, this is the vegetable. So it's fresh and still look. Look how the cabbage leaf them stand up same way. Look on the mixed vegetable. Look on the carrot. Look on the lettuce. Everything fresh same way. You know why? I rest it into a plastic container and I use a plastic cover to cover it. And the plastic cover that I use to cover it, it's not a full cover for this. So what I did, I make it keep fresh. So I cover it with this, see? So basically when it is in the fridge, it has sweat while I refrigerate. So the sweat where it's sweat, keep the vegetable fresh while it refrigerate. Probably if I did use a Loctite cover, which is the right cover for this, the vegetable would be still looking this fresh. You know, look on it and tell me the truth. If me never turn inside the same vegetable this from what day, when that thing say a fresh vegetable me use. See? Look on all the cabbage how it's fresh same way. Anyway, stay tuned. This is how I'm going to use. So as I say, some brown stew chicken in vegetable and some white rice. Alright? But I really want to cook some banana and dumpling because I'm kind of tired of the rice. Actually, rice right through the day. You understand? Worse when you know me cook, you go to a restaurant, go buy. But I don't feel like me have that patience with that time there. I just want something quick and fast. So, I want to just stay tuned. Alright? Brown stew chicken in vegetable. Not chop suey. Brown stew chicken in vegetable. Alright, stay tuned. Life is a mission TV. Life is a mission, it's not a competition. Always remember me telling you that. Alright? Want to know what to do? Just like, share, subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Hit the thumbs up when you hit the video and please to watch the art. Help this channel to grow. My vision for the next 2-3 years is to see this channel even half the distance I really want this channel. And why I said 2 years, I am not the person who want a miracle to work. You give yourself enough time. You don't just get up and say, boy, I want this to happen next week when you have no control over it happening. Can't care how you put in the work, it happens. Remember, you are the one who have to help support this channel, to help it to move. So I have to rely on you people. It's not like me everything I'm like no, me no say me I go cook now, me no say boy, I can't start cook anytime because I have the food to cook. The only thing to stop me now, the gas have to be done. Right? I mean, if it's done, me still can't cook. Me just grab some board or some coal. So this me have this in my hand, but me not have that in my hand. I have uno to rely on and uno to depend on. Without uno, it cannot move. And I can't force nobody to help me to move it, so I have to give myself enough time. And you know, so within that time, me I put in the work so uno can reach out. And as I say, I want to share this channel and videos into the WhatsApp group, with a Facebook channel, Facebook page, any farmer page and thing you want to have. Alright, we want to share. So now help you to grow. When you share it, when you caption it, please go subscribe to this channel. Don't just share it like you try to say, look on that video or watch that channel there. Make them know so now beg them to subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned and watch your going. Life is a mission, not a competition. Alright people, so I don't know when brown stew chicken are cook, I don't know it done fry, you know what happen after. So if I want to see the pot cover, I don't know what happen. The chicken are tenderized now, where you know so you put in all of the chicken and you throw a little water. Some people, well, me brown the chicken to the level where me want it to brown, so me no need to throw no Chinese sauce or no brown in the night. That's why I brown it to the level, because me no want to put no Chinese sauce or no Chinese, this or no Chinese, that or no, you understand? So it will stay there now, make the meat itself tenderize. When it tenderize to a level, then me go throw in the seasoning, pan the meat, and make it cook down and taste my part if it want. Put me a little piece of butter in there if it want a little more pepper for seasoning, because I don't know after putting in the water and stuff. The water might take away the amount of seasoning you put on and take away some of the flavor. So you kind of pepper back your pot with a little seasoning of your choice and stuff. And then when your pot near for simmer down now, you just throw in your vegetable, because most people like them vegetable crunchy, some like it when it like it cooked soft. But majority of people like them vegetable crunchy. You know? Me kind of like it crunchy. I don't like when it cooked down too soft. So, me I go wait till me near. If you know, say me simmer down to gravy. I put in the vegetable, I make a little one stir, I make it cover up the pot, I make it stay there, turn down the stove on a lower flame, make it stay there, go and sweat little. So while the gravy I go down, the cabbage and the carrot I get little penetration and steam. So when it reach a stage, you know, where the gravy ready, and the vegetable is supposed to crunchy to how me want it instead of saggy and soft. So now just stay tuned for that. Then me I get my rice wash and put on. Alright? Them food are quick and fast food still in the people, yeah man. That's why I say the flour, if you go peel banana, need flour and wait till flour and banana boil, it is far longer than steaming some rice. So this way with the rice is a faster and quicker thing. So now stay tuned for the rest of that. Brown stew chicken in vegetable. I want to know all the vegetable we are going to use. Come by from the last shrimp vegetable salad dish. We did have the remainder of the vegetable we did prepare and we never use the whole light. Alright, bless up and stay tuned. Go and do. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, and hit the thumbs up on the video, and please to watch the ads. Continue to support the channel. Soon come. So people, I'm going to wash your rice now. Now put all the rice, a little small pot cooking up. Yeah, man. Some Alberta. Yeah, man. So this is a 2-pound pack Alberta. So for about half of it, yeah. Based on the amount of rice, the amount of meat kind. So if I have it tomorrow, I can have some for my breakfast. Although me a man, I eat very early. So it might just be for my lunch tomorrow the rest. And I just do all this up. By the time I wash the rice and put it on, I will season up the pot. With the meat. It reaches a stage, you know. I just take a little more water in it. So by the time I'm done wash the rice, the season ready to go in the pot. And I don't know what I tell you now. By the time it simmer down, I'm going to taste the pot and everything is okay with the gravy. I just put in the vegetable and give the vegetable like 3 minutes. You know, just to sweat in the pot because we don't want it come to the vegetable too soft out. Like I want to know when I steam cabbage, we don't want it steam out. Which if it steam out too much, it will go too soft. And you just want it to be crunchy, especially the way how me cook it. When me just cook it down a little with the chicken. You don't want it cooked too soft. You just want it to be crunchy. So there I go. Alright. Let's turn on the stove on this. Alright. Alright. Now I will go for the seasoning. Alright. So now I'm going to just put in the seasoning. Seasoning where you like you have your scallion, all the gum seasoning. Scallion, thyme, onion, pepper and tomato. And your powder seasoning. Most of you people don't like to use these powder seasoning because they carry a lot of salt and stuff. Some of you might use organic seasoning. Nothing is wrong with using the seasoning of your choice. Them say health of your wealth. And in whatever way you choose to protect your health, which as I said, it is your wealth, you got to do it. Right? But yeah, everybody think different. Yeah, some people are going to tell you, say, me eat powder seasoning, if me eat Maggi seasoning, me I go raise same way. And if me eat the organic seasoning, me I go raise same way, yeah. But you know, if you can do something to protect high blood pressure, high cholesterol, your sugar level containing it. Why not do it if you know that will help to do all that? Why you gonna do the opposite? But at the same time, you know, most of we grow up on the regular type of seasoning and stuff, so we continue to use it. Worse if we have not, you know, taken down sick, where the doctor said, okay, you're using too much of this, too much of that, too much of this. We will never stop using it. Somehow we might read, you know, and get some experience of the type of seasoning that we might use, these type of regular type of different type of seasoning, yeah. And we might take it and stop using it after a while and start use natural seasoning, organic seasoning. Some of us, we don't bother even use no form of powder seasoning because you have natural organic herbs, you know, that people use as seasoning. But some people don't use none at all. Them just go straight with like the onion, the tomato, the pepper, the scallion and the thyme. Not the name powder seasoning, but trust me, for you to be a regular user of the powder seasoning on your meats and to go that way, it will be hard. Very small percentage of people go that way, and most of them, it all comes down to medical issue why they make the transition to those type of seasoning. But anyway, people, I'm gonna put my salt in my pot now. Yeah, put my salt in my pot. So you can add salt, but you can subtract it. So put in the salt, get some butter in. Well, since I'm just cooking a little bit of rice, one time gone when they used to make these type of butter, and probably not the same brand, you used to get 2 sticks. Now you get 4 sticks, but the 4 stick is just actually the same quantity. Them cut 1 stick in a 2. So the 4 stick cut in a 4. So it makes it easier for you if you just want to use it, if you have a knife no, or cup no butter. You just take out half stick, half stick, or I should say quarter stick. Right. You just take out one of this and you put it in your pot. And if it's 2 you want, you take out 2, and you know that is 1 stick. So, alright, rice is there now. And as I said, vegetables still fresh. So when the gravy reaches a state where we feel satisfied and comfortable, because as I said, the meat already, chicken already tenderized, I just simmer down the gravy now. As I say, I just put in the seasoning, get the taste from it, and if it's okay, then now all this will go into the pot, stay for like a minute or 2, and that's it. Alright? So bless upon yourself and stick and tune for see where I go on. So alright now people, time to taste the pork. You know, so if the taste is okay, you know what next. One taste like it's short or something, but it's the most time if I taste what, it's the worst when nothing got your mouth from morning. It kind of give you a chew-off taste. So basically, me I get a balanced taste, but me just feel like it wants something else. So what me I gonna do, me now put nothing else in there. The only thing I go in there, I wait to go in there. So now, I'm gonna put in the veg. And as you know, the veg consists of carrot, cabbage, cabbage, and I did have a few lettuce diced up, so I just put it in there also. So who never knows the lettuce can steam or simmer down, I don't know now. What's the difference? It's just the same leaf like color look cabbage. and the mixed vegetable. So you have, I remember some tomato they also cook up into it. Cut up into it, not cook up, cut up. So you have the lettuce, carrot, cabbage, some tomato freshly cut up into it, and the mixed vegetable. Wow. Beautiful look, beautiful look. All I know on this do now is just sweat little bit. No steaming now go on in night, you know, the vegetable you know. I just want it sweat a little bit. Yeah man, we just want it sweat a little bit now. And like me I put it to steam, it just go sweat, make a show you what I go on. Yeah man, that is it. Beautiful, what a pretty color in the pot man. Wow. You have brown, green, orange, red. Beautiful color. So this is stew chicken in vegetable with white rice. So just go on to the do and stay tuned for the final part of it when time I share and I eat. Yes man. People, it's also a rainy day, so the yard look. Can go to the front, music will play. Yeah man, from last night rain is falling. Yeah man, very wet afternoon. From last night right back to this morning rain falling people. That's the cloud. Cloudy. Yes man, it's cloudy. Some people, it's time to share. You know, I'm just rain and fall now, man. I'm gonna go out the door. Take some of the fresh air after in the kitchen so hot. But I'm gonna sit down in the newsroom. Turn on the fan and sit down in the newsroom, you know? Yes, man. Alright, now share too much food. Yes, Papa. Yes, Papa. Guinea. Up with the vegetable. Right. You know it's right. Yes, my peeps. Alright. Here we go. Stew chicken in vegetable. I already see the vegetable. I want to know how the vegetable come by. This vegetable is the left half vegetable half of the chicken vegetable salad. Because I never use all light because when I done it was too much and I know I never ever eat half. So I separate it. I didn't do the all light. So I rest it in the fridge and this is how it come in handy for another meal. So you not dash your things, you not fridge, you not store it, put it down. Just not store it for too long for it get frostbitten. Alright? And see it here. Mixed vegetable, carrot, lettuce and cabbage. Alright. See the tomato here? They will start cooking to show you say me not make it steam too much. Alright? Because this is the tomato they cut up with the vegetable for do the shrimp salad. So I just go into the office here now. In the newsroom. Not the office, the newsroom. I'm going to see where I go on. Stay tuned. Yes, people. Alright. Yes, man. Them things are regular still, you know. This is not out of the box, you know. Yeah, man. But at least it show or teach you know a lesson where you know say boy, sometimes you can look over something and probably too much and instead of when you go do with it and you throw it away, you rest in the fridge. Find you see it one day in the week or some day down in the week or the other week. Suppose me the dash of this. You know how expensive vegetables are? See the thing now, people. Remember earlier on I said to you, say, the pot give me a little taste like it wants something else. But at the same time, it tastes balanced, but because probably me not put nothing in my mouth from morning, it give me a different throw off taste. Now that the food is over and done, I remember now, I never take too long for lack of the pot to say, boy, I dry down somewhere and I put nothing else in there. It's the same settings. And now me I eat it with the rice. It is just right. Just right. Vegetable, everything blended in. So the carrot still crunchy as me I tell you, come and make sure not steam it out as me say about 3 minutes. By the time I put it in and turn it over into the gravy and the meat and cover the pot, I let me lock off the stove. So if you can't hear me, you hear? That's how crunchy the vegetable and especially the carrot is. I'm gonna make it steam up. We just make the steam pass through it. And I'm having it with some apple jelly. Alright? So I'm gonna go and eat. Show you when the plate clean off. Look at the carrot. You see it? It no go nowhere near steam. Steam just pass through it. But no steam no go in it. And this is why it's so crunchy, because it's still up. Right. Still up like you just eat it raw. But you know what? Because steam out and get soft, would all disappear in the pot. You just make the steam barely pass through it, so you just make sure your meat cook and your gravy ready. Then you put in the vegetable and you just stir it up 2 times and let it there even 1, 3, 2 minutes, make the steam pass through it. And that's it. Because steam just coil it up, but it not steam it. Alright? 2 more mouthful, people. The one little apple jelly care will do me. Because I drink nothing of people. I'm telling us a bucket me have to drink out of. When I see the mug of Charms and Trend give me, I tell them say it have to be a big mug. I come like it's still small, watch it. I have to nurse the apple jelly. So you know, I have to go pull the fridge and take out another one. Because this can't do me, I drink water. I might just drink a bottle of water instead. I'm not drink, man, I have to drink no people. I jug of it all. Words of ice in it and I dip on a shake. Like I talk about, man. Then you dip on the last part, I know people. And who know me? We know me. Most of you might don't know me. I don't eat early. And when you see me share out a plate of food and eat it off like this for my first meal for the day, you know say it tastes good. If it never have that taste there, I'm not going to eat it off. But just eat some, hold up my stomach, so my stomach can drop down. Catch up my stomach so it can drop down. But I'm going to eat it off. So you know what I talk about. I don't know me now, I'm telling you a lie. Then when you tell you a so it go. My videos are uncut. My videos are raw. The only time I cut something out of my video, unless it is inappropriate at the kitchen night. And very rare that happens. And sometimes something catching on my video, I try to post it the same way, and I might ask them to excuse it. I might say, boy, foul language up there, so sorry for the curse word, this, that. Because I post it, and YouTube allow it, I not cut it. The only way I cut it unless YouTube don't allow the video. I go ahead and cut it because I don't want to lose the content. But away from that, I prefer right people. Watch out. I know I don't breed nobody, no people. But I see that little bump come up on my forehead. I'm weak. Now it have a little pain in the eye. I see like it get all the eye like a boil. It better get nose and ears to a mouth. Because when I don't squeeze it and stunted it, it have to go somewhere else. Because them say if a boil and you stunted it, you play with it, it will go down, but it will come up back somewhere else. Yes, man. So, I'm there for the last part, people. Yeah, man. So, I call beer and game this now. Yeah, I look to beer and game this. See there? Food done. One little taste and another little taste lead to another little taste. Mama, and the food done, mama, the food done, you know, mama. Yes, auntie, give me the food. We can't come here, mama. I'm going to taste one little taste. One little taste lead to another little taste. And the food done. I'm going to go back to auntie. Auntie said she no more done. Sorry here, mama. Yes, sorry. See, boy, beer people. Too sure. Sometimes I wonder if I pray and pray over the food before I eat it. You will give him the food in the people. So him wet up, rain and fall, but a theme type of climate. This in love of water, but him not love drink it, but him love it. Alright, me will give beer that now, people. I'm a walk away. And beer stand up over it and look upon it the next dog can't come near. Me wonder if I'm pray him and say, or I make sure, me no know. And then he just see him start eat. He's going like in stush, you see, watch him. Alright, wanna watch him? Alright, just watch him, I show him. Alright, watch him and watch me. Watch him. You see him and watch me? Alright. If me have a ton when I watch him. Watch him. See it? See it? Him taste and him taste. The dog is smartish, see? He's smart, your shag. Watch him. Like him a taste to see if it's alright. Me I wonder if I watch him. You see him eat now? Me I wonder if him a pray over it. Or him a try to see if it's harmful to him. Or why you see him? So him stay. Everything you throw down and give him to eat it. Whether in a film pan or just throw it out in a one food box or something, him just come over it, stand up over it, him smell it, and then him just start look all around the place and I look on you. You know, it's like, you know, when somebody put on something, come see something, and yeah, look on if I set somebody, I set you up at him that. The only difference, him see when you put it there, but him have to come and make sure, watch him, done it right away, you know, and I lick tongue, you know, watch him. Anyway, people, bless upon yourself, rain and fall. Yeah. Yeah, man, the rain is on, people. See there? Still a Joe, slightly Joeing. So, I don't know what to do. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, and hit the thumbs up underneath the video. And please to watch the ads, continue to support the backup channel, which is this channel, Life is a Mission TV, just as all you support the main channel. And if you have not yet subscribed and you're watching, please go ahead and hit the subscription button now. And remember to watch the ads, please and thanks. That is one of the two ways to help this channel grow. Watch the ads and please to share the videos. Alright? Yeah, man. Share it in your WhatsApp group, share it in on your Facebook page, and also caption it. Please go subscribe to this channel. So whosoever you share it with and them see it, them say ask, you know, just share something with them. Yeah, ask them to subscribe. Alright, bless up on yourself and help the channel to grow, and by watching the ads, as me say, yeah. So, I want to know what it go. Life with Gabby and Chevy in the comment section. Pin the $ Life is a Mission. The cash app is there. It is coming on to that time of the month, and you don't know. The goal is to try to give this school this little 6 or 8 cubic fridge, whatever weight stop. If a 6 it stop or so, if a 8 it stop or so. But I like probably really give them the 8. But it might be a little bit expensive more. But anything them get, them just have to hold it. Them don't expect me to bring any, but I just see it fit since I did not get anybody to give the back to school to last month. All because of the old back to, not the back to school last month, the give back last month. All because of the back to school, they could give back when they did organize up and stuff. Right? I was late in looking anybody. We don't hear the whole details already, so just continue to support and make the channel strive, you know. We not run no charity, you know, we just give back out of our heart. So if we not send, we not send. If we not send, we not send. The give back still go on, because if I own $500 worth of grocery I can buy, I go buy it. If I 10,000 I can buy, I buy it. If I 1,000 I can buy, I buy it. It still go on. But it's only that when you help, you understand, in sending something, whether in the cash app or call me on 876-221-9789 and say, you know, I reach out. Yes, I can help more people, whether 1 or 2 I can give back to, or I can step up the basket, because I do $500 figure and only send one another $1,000, $1,500 that. It might not enough to share for 3 somebody, although would I say, boy, I better. Just like come there, I give 1 $500, make it 3 somebody 500. But it's just worth saying, because $500 really can't buy nothing. So you gotta just put the $1,500 and buy something and give one somebody. So the more, you know, the more it merry. Bless up on yourself, you know, hold nothing on nobody's throat, or when I put one in nobody's pocket, you don't have to send it. Bless up to my few supporters who you know, will reach out and time to time. Bless up on yourself. You know yourself. You don't want to name call, but you know yourself. So you know say when I say ropes, you know say you involve. Bless up who send a little $5 sometimes that they cash up on a $3. Yeah? Yeah, bless up on yourself. Alright? Big up.